then you also gotta subtract from that your 75, your profit. Right, so let's just look at that number. If we're taking 475, and you're taking 75% of that, what is that? Let's just somebody take out a quick calculator for me quickly. Jason, come on, man, you should know this. Jason is my human calculator. What is it?
356, 250.
356. 250. Right, so we were around, what was it, 90K?
Shy of 100.
Shy of 100. Okay.
97.
97. So let's just do 100K. Right? On renovation. Right, so this right here puts us right at the under the price that we purchased. Right? On the renovations. Now, we didn't even subtract, so the 75% puts us there. We didn't subtract any wholesale fee. Right? So, we didn't follow, this deal turned out to be this formula. But most of the time is not. Okay, because when we bought this house, anybody want to take a guess of what the appraisal that we got for was at the time? No?
Appraisal probably came at
The ARV appraisal?
225.
It was what?
300?
Before the renovations,
Yeah, so when we buy a house, we do an appraisal. Right? Before we close, before we do all that, we do an appraisal. And they tell us what the after repair value is gonna be, their proposed repair value, after repair value. What the house is gonna be worth after we fix. Anybody wanna guess what that was?
500.
500. Anybody else?
460?
It was like 430?
438.
438.
Who told you this?
Appraiser.
Appraiser?
So we hire an appraiser. Every single property that we purchase, we hire an appraiser. Okay, so we do our own comps, we do our own evaluations, and then we have to hire an appraiser for harmony lending purposes. Our harmony lender makes us hire an appraiser because they want a third party. Do you want to check? You're good. So we got our hard money lender makes us get an appraisal every time we purchase a house. So they came up with 438. Okay? If we would have went with that 438 number, this number wouldn't be 256. Right? What would it be? Right? So you're looking at $40,000 difference. So now we have to purchase this house so closer to 200,000, 210,000. Right? Now, how many people in Clark you think are selling a house for 210,000? No, you're not gonna make money. You're not gonna find properties, and this is one of the biggest things that people have going on right now in their business. They're getting started, they're looking at the formula, they're making offers, and they're like, there's no deal because I'm not able to get nobody's gonna take my money, right? Because you literally, right? So at